kiwi. Now here is our kiwi. To make sure it's ripe, you want to give it a gentle squeeze, and if it's soft to the touch, then it's ready to eat. If it's still firm, however, then it's not yet ripe. With the kiwi, I like to use a paring knife. As my motto goes, small ingredient, small knife. So we're going to start off by topping and tailing. We'll then begin to remove the skin like so. You can also use a peeler if you prefer, but this is a great knife skills practice and will help you get comfortable working with small ingredients. And there's our skinless kiwi. I can now cut it in any way I wish, and here I'm simply slicing it into rounds. And there we have it, our kiwi broken down.